was here when we moved in, and
They wouldn't open.
they wouldn't open, and they stuck shut, and this and that, and nothing was a-working, and they just didn't work at all, that's all. I'd just as soon throw the shoe through them as not. They put in windows,
The gutters.
rain gutters, and had just about anything and everything on the house, I guess. They said something about it being a historic amount or something. They hadn't replaced that much on anybody. They're good.
Nice.
They were
They
nice, good guys.
Yeah, I enjoyed them.
Enjoyed them, yes. In fact, I don't know whether they enjoyed us or not. I know when we went to leave one time and the window come down up there and down in the bathroom there, and it wasn't supposed to do that, and I couldn't get it back up, and so they come over to fix that. Then they wound up going around and he redone everything on the windows and fixed them, and they just worked everything so much better after they done it. But he had to come from clear over north of Colby to do that. He was on his way home, and this is just a deal he just come by. He was going to check on, see what was the matter with me. And he wound up doing a whole bunch of work.
More quiet.
It's more quiet. And the front windows there, them big windows, they just, everybody drives, they just can't believe how them things, all one sheet of glass, and 3 panes of it or something there.
The guy across the street, he really loves them.
He says he come and sat out here and eat his lunch across the street. Yeah, anytime you can call somebody because a window come down and was supposed to go up and I couldn't get it to go back up, and he comes 60-some miles to fix the window for me, I think they must be doing all right.
I would recommend them.
Energy Guard's the best we know of.